Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Tooljet app. So guys, this is AI powered apps built by AI transforming your development workflow using your natural language. So guys, you can create app and you can manage your app. You have this section of build with AI. You can drag your choose the right side panel, your template. You can connect sample data source from here. You have tables, forms, text. You can upload your template from here, and then you have this section page. You can add your page from here, and then you have this icon inspector, guys. You can add all this page from here, inspectors, and you have tab cars. You have setting app links. You can create your app link from here. You have a lot of options, guys. You have app mode here, light and dark. You can change the light mode. You have canvas background. You can change the background color, guys, any color you want to use. And you have a maintenance mode, export app. You can export app from here. This is the dashboard of the app. You can add a text, guys. You can add the text from here easily without any problems. This is the app, guys, and you can discover all the things. You have pricing option also. You have premium plans and you custom themes pro 79 per month. It's price. So guys, before this is my how you can use. I hope this video helpful for you. You can add image, add QR scanners, code. You can add calendar, code editor. This is all features. You can use timer and span this everything for timeline to build your AI app. Thanks guys for watching this video.